We are on Weather Watch this morning. Good morning, Colorado.
6:30 right now on this Wednesday, October 31st, Halloween. And an overnight storm brought rain and snow to much of southern Colorado.
But first, we want to get the latest conditions with our Storm Tracker 13's Katie, Donovan. And Katie, you can pinpoint exactly what's going on out there.
Yeah, exactly. Thanks so much, Shannon. We are still seeing that snow across the area now, coming down at a pretty good rate in a lot of spots. Where we're seeing the darker purples, that's where the snow's a little bit more steady, a little bit heavier, and the brighter whites, lighter purples, that's where we're finding some lighter snow. So a whole mixed bag of weather out there this morning. Snow pictures starting to roll in. Thank you guys so much for sending these in. We don't have weather cameras everywhere, so this is a great way to kind of take a look around the area, find out what's happening outside. But this was last night in Cascade. This comes from viewer Cindy Kuhn. You see a few inches of snow on the ground there. Definitely added to that over the last couple of hours since we've had ongoing snow there last night. And this is from Stan and Divide. Lots of snow. That's probably about 7-8 inches right there on the picnic table, really piling up in some of our mountain cities. So this is a look at some of our most recent snow reports. Higher totals through Florissant, Black Forest, a little bit further south. Not as much right now. That's because you still have more ongoing snow over the next several hours. And what you see there, some ongoing snow in the Monument area. And now starting to stick to the roads a little bit. You can see that there. And we've got a little bit of a railing here. It's started to pile up quite a bit. I did notice that as I've been watching this camera this morning, sticking to the tree. So a very wintry scene up in the Monument area. But again, take it slow on the roads. We are starting to see a lot of those roads cool off. So things will be becoming a little bit slick here in the next hour or so. Satellite and radar right now showing the snow over the last hour. I have this on a loop for you just to show you how slowly it's moving. This has been a long duration snow event here. This started yesterday. And you know, sometimes these things just race on through, but that's not the case today. This is going to be parked over the area here for the next several hours. So we're going to continue to see that ongoing snow in southern Colorado. I want to zoom into the Pikes Peak region, El Paso, Teller County right now. Seeing some breaks in the snow now along 24 in the northeast part of the county here. Monument still seeing the steadier snow. Woodland Park, you're seeing relatively light snow right now, and just a couple of isolated showers in Cripple Creek further south. But the heavier snow definitely south of Colorado Springs. We're seeing those really deep purples there, and that indicates that snow is coming down at a very, very heavy rate. So that's what you're finding if you have to head south along I-25 towards Fountain, Security, Widefield area. And then looking south towards the Pueblo, Canyon City area, ongoing heavy snowfall, maybe mixing with a little bit of rain right now. More likely just that heavy, wet snowfall. And then back into Canyon City, some light snow, a little bit steadier further south of 50. Beulah, Rye, La Veta, seeing some light, steady snowfall. And then further south of that, we've got snow ongoing in Los Animas County. Huerfano County seeing some snow right now. Walsenburg coming down pretty good rate for you. Actually a break in the snow further south of 160 here as you head closer to Branson. In the southeast corner of the state, we are seeing some really light activity. So over the next couple of hours, we're going to start to see this wind down more and more. I think especially if you live to the north of Pueblo into Colorado Springs. So just some ongoing light showers by the mid-morning, but the steadier snow a little bit further off to the south. And that's what we're going to find through noon. South of Highway 50, you're going to find that snow through your lunch hour today. Most of it will be coming to an end further north. In fact, I think we are going to see some peaks of sunshine here later this afternoon. So by 3, just some spotty shower activity that will start to wrap up, and it is going to be dry for trick-or-treating tonight. Just want those heavy coats and definitely the snow boots out there. So the winter weather advisory has been allowed to expire for Colorado Springs, the El Paso County area, but still ongoing in Teller County, places south. And we've got those winter storm warnings through the day today for the southern mountain areas. And that's where we're going to find the most treacherous travel as well as the highest snow accumulations today. Here's your 7-day forecast for Woodland Park. We've got partly cloudy skies in for the weekend, highs in the 40s. Still pretty mild into Monday, so a lot of melting snow in the next couple of days. Canyon City, a nice partly cloudy, dry weekend after our wintry Halloween today. Low to mid 50s out there Monday, Tuesday, partly cloudy skies. Pueblo, you'll have a nice partly cloudy weekend. Look at your highs back into the upper 50s, even some low 60s on Monday. So going to be a really nice start to next week. And in Colorado Springs, winter is going to be replaced by some more spring-like temperatures as we head into the weekend. Be in the 50s, partly cloudy skies, still pretty mild into Monday before we cool down on Tuesday. Now let's get a check of your Wednesday morning commute. Hannah commutes and has the latest on how the weather's impacting your drive.
Thank you, Katie. We are seeing a handful of accidents for this time in the morning. We typically don't see this.
We are definitely seeing a little bit of snowpack on the roads, particularly on the side streets. But I want to show you the view outside right now. We are traveling east along Highway 24.
We are, like you said, in Monument, driving west on 105 right now, wanting to show you the roads because the snow is really sticking on 105 this morning.
It's the weather alert day in southern Colorado. We've got ongoing wet, heavy fall snow here in the southern half of the state. Coming up next, I'm going to be letting you know when clearing skies move in. That's in your Coffee Cast, 6:06. So for your Coffee Cast today, we will be seeing those snow showers within the Pikes Peak region early on today, clearing out as we head towards noon further north, but that snow does shift off to the south as we head towards your lunch hour. So what to order today? Definitely a great day for a hot drink. It is cold out there. It is snowy. Definitely a wintry Halloween.